Yes, this is Scott Spurlock doing a review for fishhound.com. Fishhound.com is a testing club. You test lures, rods, reels, lines, terminal tackle, apparel, and miscellaneous. Also soft baits. You test what items you want to test. Nobody else chooses them for you. You choose. You pay a small shipping fee. Actually, here recently, they've lowered the cost of the shipping, so it's even better of a deal. Also, after you receive the item in the mail, it usually takes a couple of days, maybe 3 days at the most. You test the item, you write a small review, answer about 5 different questions. How'd you like the item and whatnot? And then you keep the item. Today I'm going to be testing the Damiki Volt 1/4 ounce. My review for this. Here is the lure. Now on this, I must say I was a little disappointed when I first got it in the mail. My instant reaction was, man, it's really small. It's got teeny tiny hooks on it. But Damiki does come with good hooks, Viper hooks, but they're really small. And you can't really change the hooks, because if you do, they'll overlap and they'll get tangled. I mean, they're touching now. That's about as big of a hook as you can put on there. But the action on this thing is great. It puts off awesome vibrations. With it being as cold as it is, I didn't expect to catch anything anyhow. But I did test it. Now it does have 3 different holes on this thing. First, second, and third. And you can put this thing, I don't know what it's called, but you can put this thing that I'm holding on to in hole 1, 2, or 3, and it varies the vibrations depending on how you want to fish it. And I mean, the paint job on this thing is great. I mean, the detail on this thing is awesome. You know what it is, it's a blade bait, but the paint job is awesome. The eyes are just awesome. Let me get you a close-in view of this deal here, and it is just, I mean, really, yes, good, good, good. I would like to see a bigger one. I think before they had a 1/2 ounce, which would probably be double the size, which would hopefully be bigger hooks, you know. I mean, that's my only qualm with this lure, is that it's small. Maybe it'd be good for pan fishing. I don't know, you know. Maybe you can set this hook inside a big largemouth bass. I don't know. We'll see, you know. But on a 5-star, I'm going to give this thing a 4.5. I really am. Only reason I'm not going to give it a 5-star is because of the size. It's not what I was looking for in size. But, you know, if I don't know, maybe this spring I get out there and I can catch a largemouth bass on this thing, I'll change mine review to a 5-star. But again, this is the Damiki Volt 1/4 ounce. And my name is Scott Spurlock. Again, this is a review for fishhound.com. If you didn't try Fishhound, I would suggest trying it out. It's a really good club to belong to, and you get to test a lot of good items. I don't know how many people watch my videos. And again, you know, they've switched the shipping on lures. They used to be $2.50. They're now $1.49. So they took $1 off of the shipping. So it's even more reasonable. And again, this is for Fishhound. Thank you, Fishhound.